So in my previous video, I talked about how you can get 50 gigabytes of data free or charge from MTN. And most of you were dropping a comment in my comment section that I can get 3 gigabytes of data from other network. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get 100 gigabytes of data free or charge from GLO. So if you're a GLO user and you have been looking for a way on how to get free data or cheap data, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end to be able to know the step-by-step on how to get 100 gigabytes of data free or charge from GLO that can use to browse the internet. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop a comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods I can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive right into the video.
Come to your Google App or App Store, search for GLO CAFE Nigeria. Download and install the app on your phone.
So after you have downloaded the app on your phone, it's going to bring you to this interface. So the next thing you do, you click on new user for you to start your registration process on the app. Then it will bring you to this place. You click on next, then it will bring you to this interface. So you enter your GLO line. So type in your GLO line, then you click on agreed, then click on get OTP. So you request for OTP. So they are going to send an OTP to your GLO line. So the next thing you are going to do is just for you to use the OTP to verify your line. So they have sent me the OTP now. So enter the OTP, then click on submit. Then to bring you to this interface, so you enter your 6-digit PIN number, then confirm the password, then click on submit. Then it will log you into your dashboard, into the app. So you can see all your details, your name, your phone number, your airtime balance, so all your details, you see all your details in this session. So how do you check if they are giving you the 100 gigabytes of data? So the next thing you need to check your message. So if you come to your message, you see that they have sent you a message. So they are going to give you 75 gigabytes of data instantly that you can use to browse the internet. Then after 1 month, every month they are going to be giving you 5 gigabytes of data. So this is how to get 100 gigabyte data free or charge from GLO. If you got value from this video, do well to like and share this video for others to see this video. Also drop a comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So I will see you in my next video.